Which Navara should you buy brand new in 2025? All right, so I just want to preface this and say that I'm just going to be talking about brand new Series 5 D23 NP300s. So if you do want a video about older series Navaras, let me know in the comments and I'll get back to you. I'll talk about Series 1, 2, 3, 4. But today I'm just talking about Series 5, which just to let you know is 2021 and onwards. Okay, Series 5 has been out for a few years now. I would also just like to state that this is probably going to be the end of the line in terms of D23. Either next year or the year after is going to be the last years of manufacturing for the D23s, because there is a D27 that is coming out within the next few years. So I will be making a full-blown video and news updates on the D27. Okay, without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's talk about the variant lineup. So we've got SL, ST, STX, SL Warrior, Pro 4X, and Pro 4X Warrior. Which one should you buy? Boom, let's get into the SL. Well, all of the variants have a 2.3 liter twin turbo. I'm not talking about single cabs, and I'm not talking about two-wheel drive variants, because I think some of them have a single turbo setup. I'm just talking about four-wheel drive setups, dual cabs, okay? So, a 2.3 liter twin turbo YS23. I made heaps of videos on all of that stuff. So if you want more specific videos on the engine or this or that, please look on my channel. I've got heaps of shit all about Navaras, even older Navaras. All right, cool. So the SL prices usually start around 45 to 50 grand. All right. Now I'm not a salesman. I can't tell you the exact pricing of each of these cars because I don't work in the sales department, but it's going to be around 45 to 50 grand, all right? Maybe less, depending on which dealership you go to. Now, SL is a car I've got. If you want to check out my car more, I did a full-blown walkthrough video on my channel. But SL comes with vinyl interior, comes with black accents, so black door handles, black side mirrors, all of that stuff, blacked out grille. Does not come with adaptive cruise control, does not come with any sensors. No automatic climate control, so all the AC stuff is manual. Doesn't come with leather seats, doesn't come with any special stickers, doesn't come with around view monitoring, which is something that people might want. Personally, for me, it's fucking perfect. For you, maybe it's not perfect, all right? ST mid-range, you know, for an extra few grand. Now, I'm talking a few grand, so 53 to 54 grand, you get automatic climate control, better trim options. So ST, not that much difference. Also with the ST, you start to get everything chrome, and this is where it goes downhill for me. Also, you have a carpet interior, a little bit better trim, all right? Not really that much difference. STX, again, they're chucking more tech in there. You get better seats again. You get drive modes. You still don't get adaptive cruise control yet. Lane departure assist, more sensors, parking sensors, AVM, right? So what you're starting to realize is that as you go up in the models, the only thing you're getting better is cooler seats and more technology, more electronics, more issues to deal with, all right? SL Warrior, the big boy, right? Now they released this. I just want to quickly say that the Warrior variants are not factory from Nissan. They come from wherever they come from, get shipped to Australia, and it gets built by Premcar in Australia, okay? So all the stuff is bolted on, and some of the parts are like not even Nissan, they're just like aftermarket, all right? So the Warrior is not actually factory from Nissan, it is built here in Australia by Premcar. Cool, so the SL Warrior is gonna run you about 62 grand, around that price. What do you get with that? You get a lift kit, an engineered lift kit ready to go. You get bigger tires, you get fender flares. Brilliant, all right? Very good option. You get some stickers as well, looks cool. But apart from that, it's the SL, all right? You're paying a lot of money. I mean like 15 grand type of money for basically a lift kit and big tires and flares. Doesn't really add up, and a couple stickers. Pro 4X. Now this is where we get to the juicy stuff, the cool colorways. Do you know what I'm saying? Like the red, blue, green, yellow. Well, they don't have any of those colors. They've only got like 4 different variant colors, but yes, the Pro 4X is nice looking. I do like how they look. LED headlights, more electronics, cool interior trims. You just get the stickers, and they do look all right. Pro 4X Warrior. Now this is the top of the line. This is gonna run you about 70 grand, maybe 68, 70 grand, maybe a little bit more. I'm not a salesman, as I said at the start of the video. But yeah, realistically, this comes with a lot more bash plates. It comes with a bull bar. Well, not really a bull bar, it's more of a nudge bar, but yeah, comes with interior upgrades. Obviously got the lift kit, got all the tech you could dream of. They are very nice, they're good to drive. But 70 grand is a lot of money difference from 45 grand. Nearly double, okay? Performance and capability. Now, all of them have the exact same setup in terms of engine-wise. It's a 2.3 liter, I think it's 140 kilowatt. They all have suspension front and rear, apart from the two-wheel drive variants, which is a coil sprung setup, which is gonna be going in the D27, by the way. But yeah, drivetrain, diff's the same. All of them have rear diff lock. All of them have rear hill descent assist, okay? So not really that, you're not paying for a whole lot more difference. Like if I'm paying 50, if I'm giving you, what, like 30 grand extra, surely I get like extra performance benefits. You don't, which is crazy. It's literally just the trim and a lift. All of them officially say 7.5 liters per 100, but I don't 100% believe that. Officially, when I was driving, I was getting like 8, 9, 10. The highest I've ever gotten is like 11 liters per 100 in this vehicle. So what I'm saying is they're all the same. All of the models are just basically the same, just look a little bit different. I'm not gonna talk a whole heap about styling and everything like that. Let me give you some straight up advice, because I bought an SL and I've built everything myself on the vehicle, as you would have seen. If you haven't checked it out, check out my channel. So I spent about 45 grand buying the vehicle brand new. Came with absolutely nothing. It looked shit. But since then, I've put the money that I would have spent in buying a Warrior, and I put it in doing everything myself, and I've come out on top with a sick fucking vehicle. It paid for my canopy, paid for my tray, paid for my wheels, paid for my lift, all of that, all right? I saved the money. So what I'm saying to you is, you have to really understand, what tech stuff do I need? Do I need automatic climate controls? Do I need a carpet? Not really, because it's a full drive and it's easy to clean on the vinyl, right? Do I need adaptive cruise control? I love adaptive cruise control, but I'm not gonna pay fucking 10 grand for it, all right? So, also note that the SL comes with all these black accents already done, so you don't have to de-chrome your vehicle, which is a big plus for me. So, those are just a few of the things, okay? Personal opinion, I would say the exact same thing. I did get an SL. You're gonna save a little bit of money. It's the exact same car. You're not losing on any performance benefits. Just a last one, quick shout out to Flynn, who's been commenting on the channel like crazy. Respect, big up. Thank you so much, Flynn, appreciate it. I sent him a sticker. And if you wanna get your own sticker, just comment down below, comment on my videos. I'll keep an eye out. Repost one of the videos on Instagram story, tag me in it, and I'll send you a free sticker. But that is gonna do it for the rest of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it so much. Peace.